Welcome to the System platform. Thank you so much for trying out our app. We've been developing this for a couple of months now and we're really excited to show you around and show you all the cool features that we've been working on. So first up is the journal feature. So this is really simple. If you want to create a new journal entry, you simply go to the journal tab on the bottom, or you can go to it on the left navigation menu. You click the add button in the bottom right. Then you add a journal entry as you usually would with any other journal app. So here you can select the date, the time, you can adjust the slider based on how you're feeling in the moment, and then you can enter a bit of notes about how you're feeling. After that, you can select and create your own custom emotions. So you can select something like fulfilled and then happy. And then once you click save, it'll pop up in your recent journal entries. If you ever feel the need to go back in time and edit an entry, it's really simple. You just click on the entry itself. You can change the date, the slider, remove custom emotions, remove other emotions, select new emotions, all that, and you can go ahead and update that entry. The appointment function is really similar to the journal. You can use it to think about what you might want to discuss with your healthcare provider before you go in, and also follow-up notes after the appointment. To create a new one, you click on the bottom right add button, you select a date and a time, put in your provider name, and then before the appointment, you might fill out this text field with things to discuss. Afterwards, you might come back to this entry and then enter some appointment notes. And as well as a follow-up maybe in about 3 weeks to discuss how the pain is progressing. Much like the journal, you can select the different emotions, add your custom ones. And again, just like the journal entry, if you want to update it after the fact, you can click into it, remove emotions, change the text around, and then click update. Another feature we're really excited about is reminders. Here you can see reminders that are due today, reminders that are due in the upcoming few days, and also reminders that you completed today to sort of give you a little sense of accomplishment towards the end of a day where you might be feeling tired. To add a brand new reminder, you click on the bottom right add button. You can title your reminder, pick a date and a time, and add a recurrence interval. Once you click add, you'll see it pop up, and you can tell that this is a recurring reminder because of the icon in the right. Once you're done a reminder, you can go ahead and click on the dot, and then it'll pop down into your completed today reminders list. The feature that we have definitely used most as a team is habits. Here you can add habits with a different recurrence interval repeating on a weekly, monthly, or daily basis, as well as selecting the days that you want it to repeat on. Again, it's really simple. You can go ahead, click on the bottom right add button, enter your habit. So in this case, it would be something like drink 8 cups that repeats every single day. And again, you can add custom units or select the predefined ones. So here we'd want 8 cups a day. So we can add that unit and go right ahead and click add. Now throughout the day, as you drink more water, you can click into the habit and then add towards your progress goal. So let's just say we drink 1 cup. By default, the add button will add 1/4 of the total goal. So if we click the add button here, it'll add 2 cups, then another 2 cups, then another 2 cups. We can also click on the circle itself to add progress to the goal. And once we've hit the goal, we'll see the circle fully complete. As you complete more and more goals, the streaks continue to pile up. So if we drink 8 cups for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, you'll see the streak continue to go up, seeing both the best streak that you had in your history and just the current streak at the moment. You might also want to add a weekly habit, one that resets and recurs on a weekly basis. Do that, you click on the bottom right add button, title your habit, repeats on a weekly basis, Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, and we want to run 3 times each week. Once you click on add, you'll see it go into your this week's habits. And again, throughout the week, as you progress towards your goal, you can click on the add button. So one run on Monday, another run on Thursday, and finally a third run on the Saturday, so our goal is accomplished. If you accidentally added too much, you can simply decrement the count by clicking on the minus button a couple of times. And if you just want to fully complete the goal without having to track the progress every single day, you can just click on the check mark button. Last but not least is the toolkit. Here you can find a couple of really cool features. So the first is the body scan and the second is the breath work. The body scan comes courtesy of our founder, Andrew Hartman, and here you'll see an audio file that you can click play and pause on, and this will lead you through a 5-minute guided body scan. Next up is breath work. We've made 3 really cool animations, the circle, the square, and the wave, that will hopefully help you slow down your breathing and take a step back even when you might be feeling really busy and just all over the place. When you first log in, you'll actually be greeted with the home page. And this pulls information from both your reminders and habits to sort of give you information at a glance. And you can also interact with these 2 widgets to add new reminders and add new habits. We're really happy that you decided to give SciSim a try. And if you have any feedback at all or any bug reports, please do not hesitate to go into the feedback tab, send us any feedback, and we'll be sure to reply as prompt as possible.